Namaste, my name is Anish Patil. I am founder and captain of Robotics Club at SSVPS College of Engineering Dhule. So, at this occasion of Republic Day, we are going to unfurl our lovely Indian tricolor flag using drone. So, question arises, why should we do that? So, the first reason is it honors our Indian tricolor flag using technology. In this case, we have used drone technology. And the secondly, it signifies that youth like us are taking this country in forward direction in terms of engineering and technology.